Today we will try to learn fundamental building blocks of C programming. Okay, so first to fundamental building blocks of C programming is a character sets. Character sets are nothing but, if you see, when we are learning English language, we have alphabets like A, B, C, D. So without those alphabets, we are unable to learn English language. In similar way, these character sets are like alphabets to the C language. Okay. So you can see there are different types of characters are available in C language. So first one we have a letters. In letters we have a uppercase alphabets, that is A to Z, and we have a lowercase A to Z. You can see the character set we can will be written in a C language like single quote A, single quote B. So these are the some examples how we can represent character sets in a C language. And the second type we have a digits. Digits you can see from 0 to 9. So that means if we see digits total 10 digits are available: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so on up to 9. So total 10 digits are available. But when you are writing in a C language, we will be representing them as single quote. That is, 5 will be written within single quote, 0 will be written in single quote. Whatever digit will be taken, will be writing in a single quote. Then it will be called as a character set. Okay. Then third one we have a special characters. Those are like plus, minus, hashtag symbol, slash, ampersand symbol. Then we have modulus symbol, hash, at the rate, braces. So these are the special characters which are allowed in a C programming. Then the last one we have a white spaces. So we will be calling them as a white spaces. The spaces will be calling as a white spaces because when you write any word, the spaces are not visualized in the output. So for that reason, we'll be calling them as a white spaces. We have a white spaces like space, that is single space. Then we have a tab. There are we have a multiple spaces with a simple character, which is character set, which is called tab. Then we have a new line. So these are the white spaces which are available in a C programming. Okay, here, in a simple word, we will understand character sets are nothing but whenever we are writing any C programming, whatever things are available in C programming, those are come from the character sets only. If you written any C programming which will not included these things, then it will be not executed as a C programming. The compiler will generate some error. Okay, whatever we'll be writing in a C programming, those must and should include from these letter, digits, special character and white spaces. Okay, it is very easy to understand. So we can have uh, the character sets are case sensitive. Already said character set, whatever will be written within a single code, it will be treated as a character. Here, the capital A E will be treated differently with a small a with a single code in a C programming. So in we have a small example. You can see into x equal to 10 semicolon. Here everything is a character set. You can see will be written uh, int x equal to 10. That indicates I is a character set, n is a character set, t is a character set, x is a character set, even equality is a character set, and 1 is a character set, and 0 is a character set. Even you can see comma, sorry, semicolon, comma, whatever it is, everything will be treated as a character sets. Okay, so if you written anything in a C programming, those are taken from the character sets only. I will be repeating once again, whatever C programming will be writing, will be taking only from the letter, digit, special characters or white spaces. Okay, next one we have a C tokens. similar to character sets. You see, the C tokens are nothing but like words to the English language. We said character sets are alphabetical to English language. Like, okay, character sets are like alphabets we have in English language. This character set will be treated as a alphabets for a C language. Similarly, to frame any English sentences will be required words. So here, to write any C programming, we need some words in a C language. So whatever we'll be writing, a block that is combination of letters will be calling as a C tokens. So these are nothing but words. These are nothing but words in a C programming. Okay. So whatever C programming will be written, so that will be divided into small building blocks. That means smaller parts. Those parts will be calling as a tokens. Okay, whatever we written in C programming, the C program will be divided into smaller pieces or smaller parts. Those parts will be called as a tokens. So we have a different types of tokens are available. So we have a keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators, special symbols, or punctuations. You can see keywords. So these are the nothing but some reserved words are available in a C programming. Example like integer, float, character. Okay. So these are the some of the keywords which have a special meaning. Okay. We should not use them as for some other purpose. That means the meaning of the some words are already reserved in a C programming. Those type of words will be calling as a keywords. Identifiers. So to use something in a C programming, we need to we need to give some names. Suppose we'll be adding two numbers, A and B. So these are the two numbers we have. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Okay. So these two numbers we need to add. To add these two numbers, we'll be using A plus B. So this A is called as a variable, B is also called as a variable. But in C programming, we need to identify what type of data it can store. A can be represented or declared as an integer. That means A is a variable which can store only integer value. Similarly, B is a integer data type. That means B can store only the integer values. So that means we'll be representing A and B, or we simply said A and B will be identified as a integer data type. So those are called identifiers. A and B are called identifier. That means we are giving names to store the values. Okay. Next one we have a constants. So constants are nothing but so these are you can see in previous example I said A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. In A we can save another value. So at first step I stated A equal to 10, but later I will be giving A is equal to 50. That means the value can be changed. So the whatever value 10 or 50 I can assign to the A, because A is a variable. We can store any value to the A. But constants, okay, A, if suppose will be taken a identifier. Suppose I will be taking a identifier which is of a constant type. Okay, I will be declaring them as a constant integer type. So C is a integer type, but it is a constant. That means I can't change the value of the C. If I assigned C equal to 10, I am unable to assign C value to 50. So that is called constant. C is a constant. It have only one fixed value. It should not be changed to any other value. That is the meaning of constant. Then we have a string. So strings have whatever will be written within double quote. So whatever will be written in the double quote, you can see here. So if I written anything within double quote, this will be represented as a string. Okay, so that is the string. So string will have a single word or combination of words also accepted in the string. Okay, if I return a word, if I return hi, okay, these are the two words, but I will be representing within a double quote. So I can have spaces between the word that is accepted in a string. Okay, then we have operators. Operators are nothing but we have a arithmetic operator and a logical operator. Arithmetical addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, we have a logical operator and operator. Okay, so if both are true, left side and right side things, if both are true, then only be result is a true. If any one of them is a false, so result is a false. Those type of logical operators are available. Then we have a special symbols or punctuations. Okay, semicolon, comma, okay, curly braces, square braces. So these are called punctuations or special symbols. Okay, so C tokens are nothing but a building blocks, a building blocks for a C program. Okay, so you can see here a small example to understand the C token. So I will be written integer age equal to 20. Here you can see clearly the integer is a keyword, age is also, yeah, age is a identifier, and you can see equal is a operator, 20 is a constant, and semicolon is a special symbol. If you go back to the slide, you can clearly observe I said integer is a keyword and age is a identifier. I can vary value into the age. Okay, equal to the operator and 20 is a constant, semicolon is a special symbol. So this is the easy way to understand the C tokens. Then we have a small example for understanding C tokens. So we'll be written hash include stdio.h. We have written main function. Here we'll be representing int x equal to 5 plus 3. Here if you observe tokens, the C tokens, integer is a C token, x is also C token, equal to the C token, 5 is also C token, plus 3 and semicolon. All are C tokens. Okay. Then finally we'll come to difference between character set and C token. Okay, you can see the difference. The first difference is uh, what type of characters we can use in a C programming. So which are allowed, that will be said by the character set. And token says how we can use these characters. So we have, I already said, uh, the character sets are like alphabets, but C tokens are like words. Then character set alone has don't meaning. That means if I see A, B, C, D, they don't have specific meaning in a C programming. But C token have a meaning because when you are combining these character set, you'll be getting a C token. So it can have a letters, numbers, and symbols. So tokens have keywords, variables, and operators. So these are the used before writing a program. That means will be taken these character sets for writing a program. So C tokens, these are read when the compilers are running. Then we have an example plus A9 curly braces semicolon. So examples of C tokens are integer sum plus 10. That means it will have specific meaning. So character sets are only singular, singular. Okay, try to understand. But C tokens are it can have singular and combination of characters. So character sets are help us to write a program. Tokens are help the compiler to run successfully the program. So these are the difference between character sets and C token. We will remember the character sets are like alphabet to the C programming. C tokens are like words to the C programming. Okay, thank you.